Welcome back. Time for Craft Corner. We're making our own reusable cleaning wipes for all those messy moments.
I go through wipes by the case, Juliette.
Yes.
So here with us now is Juliette Mooers, owner of Valley Art Supplies in Easthampton, with another crafty idea. This time we're focusing on cleaning.
Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I go through so many of these doggone cleaning wipes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
absolutely.
The other day my husband was reading the back and it said, caution, may be harmful to domestic animals and kids. And we're like, we're making our own.
Oh, no.
Who would have thunk?
You have a pet, by the- I know you got
have
kids.
2 cats.
And you have 2 cats.
An older cat and a younger feisty cat. Okay. So yeah, we go through these a lot. So I was like, you know what? I have all these.
Just do it ourselves.
I have all of these cloth napkins, and I'm just going to repurpose them. So you just cut them into little strips, and we're going to make our own cleaning wipes using stuff you probably already have around the house. Mm-hmm. So I have distilled white vinegar.
Okay.
And then I have dish soap, and then rubbing alcohol, and any essential oils you wish to use. Today I'm going to use lemongrass.
Is that
I'm
just
still
for
caught
smell?
on the napkins
just for smell, and actually there might be some sort of cleaning properties in there.
Some benefit
I'm
to
not
it?
100% sure, but I think there is.
Okay.
And distilled water or unfiltered tap water would be fine.
Well,
or filtered tap water.
I want to cut this napkin. Am I
Go
doing
right
it
ahead.
in quarters?
I just cut it in. I cut it in quarters. Yes.
Okay.
You just cut it in little. You know, if you want to go bigger, you can. But I think this is a good size.
Yeah.
So let's do this. So you're going to want a half a cup of distilled vinegar. Mm-hmm. So this is distilled vinegar that Ed made with orange rind. So that's the only reason why it has that little tint of color. He had it. He made it for something, and I borrowed it. But it's essentially just distilled vinegar. And then 1/4 cup of filtered tap water or distilled water, and then you're going to do 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. So all this stuff you might even have.
Is there anything you can't use this on? Like, should you not use this on marble, or?
That's a great question. I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
You'll find out.
You'll find out. Don't come find me. And then you're going to do like 8 to 12 drops of essential oil. I'm using lemongrass. We like the smell of it.
Yeah. It's kind of calming.
Yeah, it's soothing. And then
it hopefully will mask some of the vinegary smell, perhaps.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah,
and
I didn't smell it at all.
Yeah, if you like vinegar, it's not a bad. 1 teaspoon of dish liquid. And then you're just gonna.
And you have one that I'm assuming has no artificial colors and is
you know,
clean and safe.
Yeah,
whatever works.
Whatever works. You can use whatever you have. That's totally fine. So we're just gonna mix it, and then we're gonna pour it into a jar. I reused one of those other cleaning wipe dispensary things,
Good
but so right now this one I'm just gonna use the mason jar.
Now, how many do you have in there?
I have about 8.
Oh, 8 will fit in.
I have about 8. You can probably, I have a couple other ones. It looks like we can fit a couple more in there. And we're just going to soak it up. And so we made these, I made these last week, I think, and I started using them around the house, and I have one little bag that I put them in, and I'm just going to re-wash them all together when I'm running low.
Right.
So I wouldn't wash it with your laundry,
with your clothes,
but I would just do a separate wash with your rags, and then you have these nice reusable rags.
That is a good idea.
Is that good to go now, or should we leave it overnight?
Oh, no,
you can just use it clean now.
It's totally ready. You just get them all nice and soaked up. So
and
we
in
made
this
a batch.
You've got it so that it auto feeds like the real thing.
Yeah.
That is cool.
I don't know if I'm that crafty, but
just think about the money you're saving, the garbage you're saving on, and they work great. Like we've used it for our countertop, we've used it on our stove, we've used it to spot clean the floor.
Sure, it picks up a lot.
Endless, yeah.
You see this? I clean the fool.
I clean the fool.
You put some in a little spray jar too, just for spot cleaning? Is that the idea?
Yes.
It's a good idea.
Did you not want me to show that? I think it's funny. Juliette, thanks. Hey, tell me about your store. What are your hours in Easthampton?
Yeah, Valley Art Supplies. Tuesdays 2 to 5, and then Wednesday through Friday 11:30 to 4, and then Saturday 11:30 to 3 or 4, depending on my son's
Probably
games.
the cleanest art supply store in the Pioneer Valley with these things.
I would say.
Yeah.
Best smelling.
Thanks, Juliette.
Thank
Still
you.
ahead.